Welcome to City Update. I'm Gavin MacRoberts, and today I'm joined by Bianca Shoneman. She's with the Cool Spring District, and we're getting ready for a big event, a big spectacular event that's going to be coming down this Festival Park on New Year's Eve. Tell me about a night circus, a New Year's Eve spectacular.
Gavin, oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up. We have the most spectacular thing happening at Festival Park on New Year's Eve. For the first time in many moons, the municipality has made a commitment to create a new family tradition in our great city where we are organizing a night circus, live music concert, and a fantastic event to rise into 2022.
That sounds really exciting. Now, when does that event kick off, and what can people expect when they come down to Festival Park?
Sure. So we're going to start around 7:30 on New Year's Eve right there at Festival Park. We're going to go to about 12:30 at night. Now, for those of you that have small children, the event from 7:30 to 9:30 will be very family-centric. We'll have free bounce houses. Thank you to PwC for sponsoring that. We're also going to have mechanical rides, magicians, tarot card readers, stilt walkers, jugglers, and we have two DJs that are playing really cool music that the kids will love.
That sounds great. So once you get the celebration over and the kids can go home, I understand there's a really big party going to be starting later that night.
That's right. So around 10 o'clock, the stage will flip. And we have 4 national headliners coming. So we're focusing on the 90s, right? Because it's such a good time for music.
Awesome. Yeah.
And so who we have is Rob Bass.
Awesome.
Coolio.
Nice.
And we also have All for One and
Yes.
CNC Music Factory.
Oh, you gotta love all those. I mean, that's taking me back to my high school years.
I know, it's going to be brilliant. It's going to be brilliant.
And I know you guys are doing something a little bit different, a little bit special just for Fayetteville.
So what makes this evening spectacular, Gavin, is that many municipalities, many cities across the globe have a tendency to drop something for New Year's, right? The notorious ball in Times Square,
Drop
the acorn.
names.
Yeah, they drop names, they drop their wallets.
Yeah, that's right. Whatever.
Right? But instead of doing that, because we have had a tumultuous year and a half or so, we were thinking how we could set Fayetteville apart because it is such a unique city. What we did was we had Blashfield Signs construct us an 18-foot tall star. Okay, this star has 600 LED lights.
Oh, wow.
So at the stroke of midnight, we're going to do a 60-second countdown to the new year. And instead of dropping that star, we're going to lift that star 110 feet into the sky. And it will light up with fireworks and America's Can Do City brand.
Oh, that's going to be wonderful. And then the party's going to wrap up until 12:30.
Yes, it is.
Oh, excellent. What should people know about when they come down to Festival Park?
Yeah, so you should know that it's totally free. There will be event parking on municipal surface lots. There also will be free shuttle service between Bragg and the downtown district. You'll also be able to take a trolley from Haymount and the B Street corridor to the downtown area. You will have a bag check, so no weapons, please, at the gate. And generally, unless you're looking to eat or drink or buy something, the whole event is entirely free, thanks to the city.
And there's going to be no outside food or drinks because you will have food and drink available on site for people who want to celebrate.
That's correct. We have the Dogwood Festival has helped us recruit nearly 11 food trucks, and we still have some opportunity for those to come.
Excellent, excellent. Hopefully the trains will stay away during the event, but if they're there, more the merrier. But and we also know we ask that only service animals on the Festival Park, no pets, because especially if there's going to be fireworks, that would not be fun and exciting for them. So that's going to be New Year's Eve, 7:30. The party starts and then turns over. What about 9:30?
9:30ish or so. Then it flips, and we got the hip hop acts.
Yeah, that's
I came to get down. I came to get down.
Awesome. And one last question: where can people go if they want to learn more?
Well, it's also on your website, right? But it is on the Cool Spring Downtown District website, which is visitdowntownfayetteville.com.
Excellent. Well, I want to thank you, Bianca, for sharing that great information about Night Circus, a New Year's Eve spectacular, and I want to thank you for joining us.